Hello guys, I'm Herman, and in today's video I just want to talk about the upgrade on my CNC machine that I started last week. So today I just want to show you where I am at now with the project. So you will see here that this is my XHC Ethernet motion card. So this is the CNC controller which controls the entire machine right here. And these are the stepper motor drivers which I actually got. These are the DM542 stepper motor drivers which I got to replace the TB6600, which gave me a lot of issues. So I decided to upgrade to this driver to improve on that particular aspect of the machine. So you have my old VFD right here. So this VFD has been serving me for a while now, and I think that there's not been any issue with it so far. And one good thing that I also want to talk about this upgrade is that I am able to use the almighty Mach 3 software. This is great because I'm going to enjoy all the features that a proper CNC software like Mach 3 has to offer. Before, I was using the Universal G-Code Sender, which is a software for beginners, actually, like people who are actually good into who are actually getting into Arduino programming. I want to build something like a CNC machine. I think that the Universal G-Code Sender, it's a very good platform to start with. But this one right here, I'm using Mach 3, so I am very happy to enjoy the features that other people have been using, that I've been seeing people using online, especially on YouTube. So in today's video, I just want to show you a little bit of what I've done, some of the great things that I've been able to achieve with this machine, like installing the limit switches, the end stop for the CNC machine, the e-stop, and other things that I've done so far. So I'm just going to show you around the machine right here so you can see them. So this is the machine right here. I'm going to use my laptop. So I have my laptop here. I'm going to control the machine right now so you can see how everything happens. So I'm going to start by moving the x-axis to the positive direction. So let's do that. So you can see how quiet the thing is. With the TB6600, I had a lot of issues. First of all, it was slow, and there was a lot of noise from the stepper motor disturbing my piece. So actually, this one solved the problem. So let's move now the Z-axis, the Y-axis. See, this is good, very good actually. It doesn't make much noise like the other one. So let's try with let's move the Z-axis down. See how good and fast that is? Okay, so to show you how these limit switches, they work to provide some reference with the machine when working with the machine. I'm just going to home everything now so you can see how they automatically go to their home positions without any problem. So let's do that. So it starts with the Z-axis. Then we've reached the limit of the Z-axis. Okay, so we go to the Y-axis. There we go. So we are at the home position of the Y-axis as well. So we now go to the X-axis. Bam. So we're there. So this is our home position. So this is the point, this is the reference point of every work that I'm going to be doing on the machine right there. So if something goes wrong, I just come back here and then I restart the process from this position. No coordinates are going to be lost. Meanwhile, before with the machine, I used to work without home switches. At some point, when there is a problem with missing of steps that I missed, I kind of just threw away that part and then started all over again. So from now, I think that with this particular feature that I just added, I'm going to do some cool things and avoid a lot of errors. So another thing that I want to show you guys here is this end stop button that I just added. This is the emergency stop button that I just added here. So if the machine actually in the process of working, doing something, and then an error occurs that I have to stop the machine immediately, I'll just come and hit on this button right here and everything will be stopped, and then I will avoid a lot of damages. So I am also able to control the spindle directly from my computer. So I can start my spindle. I can increase the speed. Of my spindle. Directly from my computer right there. I think that I'm going to enjoy this machine more right now because of all these features that I just added, because the process of working with CNC machine is going to be a lot more easier. Well, with all this said, I think that I'm done from talking about the upgrade of this machine. Thank you guys so much for watching this little video. I'll see you on the next one. Before I go, let me put off the spindle. There you go. Bye.